Hopefully, I am now with the rest of the interwebbage. Say hello and let me know if you're there. That would be awesome. If you're there, let me know where you're listening in from. I'm sorry I'm 10 minutes late today. But sure, that's the way things go. I'm gonna do a song for you called I just played it, but nobody heard it, and then Anne-Marie came in and told me, here, you're not going live, what's up? There was a few switches weren't switched, and sure, that's what happens. So this is called Where the Sweetest Waters Flow, and yeah, it's about fields and my granda in Ahamore, and that's pretty much all. There's a lot going on in it, but sure, I'll just sing it. Hope you're all doing well today. Here it is. Way or beyond in the barley field, where the ghosts of corncrakes crow, 10 generations of your fathers knew where the sweetest waters flow, where the sweetest waters flow. Way up above in the old graveyard, a man came, spoke of a dream of hidden gold in the old church wall. He reached inside, it gleamed, it gleamed. He reached inside, it gleamed, it gleamed. Way up above at the Temple Hill, by the big rock in the field, hundreds of people kneeled and prayed. Had to hide or forced to flee. I had to hide or forced to flee. Helping my father save the hay. 3 shots we heard as they killed a man for being in love with his country, for being in love with his country. Oh, 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 beyond in the barley field, where the ghosts of corncrakes crow, 10 generations of your fathers knew where the sweetest waters flow, where the sweetest waters flow. Will. So we have a few people on. I am actually streaming live. So there you go. We have Jana Pierce. How are you doing, Janet? Or Yana? I don't know if you pronounce the J, but I think it's Yana. Bernie Lily, no sound at the moment. Okay. Now, I hope that you have sound. It looks like there should be sound. I will double check here to make sure that everything looks right on my end. I wouldn't put it past it. There's plenty of stuff going on today. So, how are we doing, Mark Harlow? Welcome to the fray. I'm going to take it that there is audio because I can see it there. And Emer can hear. This is good news, Emer. Thank you very much. How are you, Tim? Hola. Will Shiv Guma. Right, what are we going to do? Something else on the electric guitar for the crack. Right. I don't know what we're going to do. Let's do it. Hello, Rebecca. How are you doing? Thanks for listening in. And yeah, let's do something here. So yeah, sorry I was a bit late, but sure, that's the way it goes. All right. All right, sing along with this one. Oh, the summertime's coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain pine grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain pine all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? I will build my love tower near yon pure crystal fountain. On it I will pile all the flowers of the mountain. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie? Love to leave me, could I ever find another where the wild mountain thyme grows around that purple heather? Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Sing it with me, everyone. And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go? Yep. Now, better on. Let's do it. Starach mo crí agus úlach mo crí úlach mo crí when tú the war go down and yours tú star mo crí agus úlach mo crí. When I'm feeling lost, it's then that you find me and lead me home to where my soul shines bright. So take me home tonight, down the old Bob Way and round the avenue to where the crescent trees come into view. The streets of my youth look almost creeping into the war. Go down and yours to star more creep. Look almost creep. Train number 9 coming down the railway line. If that train goes off the track, well, do you want your money back? Look, I'm a cream into the heart. Go down on yours to starach mo chree. Agus look, I'm a cream. And if you lose your way, well, trust in me and see your path will illuminate. Create our own fate. Yeah, look, I'm creeping into the heart. The down and yours to my star, my creep. Agus look, I'm creep. Look, I'm creeping into the heart. The down and yours to my star, my creep. Agus I'm a creep. I'm a creep. So Ulach means await, and Mochri means my heart, which is here, I think, somewhere there. And so it's Ulach al Mochri, await comes from my heart, is the meaning of that. And it was just a line that came to me from a melody that's been in my head for years and years and years and years. And I knew it was on a TV show when I was young, and it was flutes, and I think there was birds flying in the sky and that's all I could remember about the TV show. And then I was asking some people, and it turns out it was Paddy Maloney wrote the melody, or so he told me anyway, so I believe him. And so I said, would you mind me turning that into a song? And he said, no, go ahead. So there is the song based on the Paddy Maloney melody from a TV show in Ireland in the 80s. So it's called Ulach Omochri. So we might record it that way at some point, or something like that, because I think I like the Bowron version. It's pretty fun. Right, we're going to go to a guitar. And gonna go randomach. How many eggs? Swing of air. The Beatles. I'm thinking about the Beatles randomly here, so let's do some Beatles. Actually, let's see if it sounds good with the weird thing. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me a room, isn't it good, Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on a rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She told me she'd work in the morning and started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled off to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good, Norwegian wood? There we are. I'm full of technical problems of late, but I think we got through one without one there. Last week I didn't have my pedal going at all. You couldn't hear any. So hopefully you heard the Chipmunks or Ravi Shankar coming in there. The Ravi Shankar pedal. Arenos. Alright, Lynn. Let me see. Where to? Let's say hello to the chat wall. See if there anyone there at all on the chat wall. We had Emer Lynch. We have Bernie. Thanks, Bernie. Perfect now. That's good. Tim Hart. And we have Rebecca. Thanks, Mark Harlow. Jim Lynch. Hello. How are you doing, Jim? Good. Long time no see. Hope you're doing well. Hope all the family's well. We have Tim Hart. Must be Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday now. Saturday was about 10 minutes late there, but we got there. We're there. So Howie Morris and Camilla, hope you're well. So any other crack going on with you? My wife is listening. Herself and Betsy are out there, and so they're listening in. We have Mary Bongiorno. Good Saturday afternoon, and you're as usual in Detroit. So good to have you with us. How you doing, Rory? Thanks a million for your email the other day. I duly noted about that song, and I'm gonna do a bit of work on that one. And yeah, so we've got people talking to each other as well, which is great. Martin, how you doing, Martin? Right, good to see you virtually. That's a nice picture you have there. Excellent stuff. And Tim as well. Jenny, you're professionals at having the amazing looking photos. What are they called? Avatars? Probably not. They used to be called that. Now I think people actually have little, what are they called? Animations of themselves and all, which is kind of mad. How you doing, Sarah Jackson? I can see your chat. How are you doing? You're welcome in to the crack. And we have Annika saying moin. So we're gonna do where are we going to? Ooh, let's do something mad. Right. For no apparent reason, this is the song I'm gonna do. This one's called Row, which means frost, because it's frosty out there. And I used to do this one with a band called the Mongrels, Peter Keogh and Griffo, and myself. And we used to play in the Foggy Dew and in all around Dublin. This was one of the ones we used to do. It's called Row. It's after Sean O'Riordan poem called the same thing. So let's see if I can remember. I think this song deserves some crazy reverb. So there we go. We're gonna do it. Maybe not. Goes a muck, a special polka, romer skaka, rugas are a foreign polka. Oxker show and my bishe roche. Niet op jouw lemon glikker, for the purpose of bear skaka, shooting tight in my hair, eachin. Goras makka solanisha. A lot of bogus band and wincher. Seeing a corner road, just she. Star hurling the road, grabbing news. Frevig in honor, Lord, Frevig in honor, Lord, longer than a star. A mutton yakka goes a muck, a special polka, romer skakas, rugas are a foreign polka. Oxker show and my bishe roche. Get up your lemon glicker for the purpose of rare skag is shooting tight in my hammer eachin. Goras makka solanisha. A lot of fog is banding wincher. Seeing a comra, roche, shincher. Quickle the iron on, quickle repeat the crown. Bit of crack, row, crown leich. So we are gonna mosey on. Let's move somewhere. Let's do something different. Yeah, we're gonna try camera number 2, and we're gonna see if we can sing a song on the dulcimer. Right, I think I should be with you there now again. Hopefully we haven't lost... yeah, that's not too bad. I haven't been playing the dulcimer. I'm out of practice, but sure, hey, it's all good. Here's the dulcimer. There is beauty in the making. There is goodness all around. And there's truth for the taking. Every sight, every breath, every sound. Help me see it in the morning. Help me sing it all day long. When I smell the scent of evening, let me thank the whole world for its song. For there's beauty in the making. Yes, there's goodness all around. and there's truth for the taking. Every sight, every breath, every sound, every sound, every sound, every sound, every sound. Oh, the storms of life will hit us. Those old trees may tumble down. Give us shelter till the dawning. We need the bad to see the good all around. For there's beauty in the making. Yes, there's goodness all around. And there's truth for the taking. Every sight, every breath, every sound, every sound, every sound, every sound, every sound, every sound. So that's my song on the Warren A. May Dulcimer, which you long-time watchers know I let my mic fall on and broke it, and then he fixed it, and you wouldn't even notice. It's got some extra little lines on it, but you wouldn't notice. It's just sonically it sounds great. So if I had it exactly in tune there. That was grand. Right. That is the Dulcimer. So I hope you enjoyed that one. An American instrument for all y'all. Now. Here we go. We're back on these ones. And there we are. Yeah. So. Right, gonna change over into a different tuning here. It's kind of like a different world in guitar world. Now, yeah, let's do. I'm gonna do this Simon and Garfunkel one that I like. It's a bit of crack. Kicking down the cobblestones. Anyone who's been to Smithfield in Dublin knows the cobblestones. So when I'm singing this, I always think of the kicking down the cobblestones on their way for a pint up in the cobblestone pub or something like that. All right. Feel free to sing along. Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the moment last. We're kicking down the cobblestones, looking for fun, feeling groovy. Feeling groovy. Well now, hello lamppost, what you doing? I've come to watch your flowers growing, and ain't you got no rhymes for me? I do it and do, I'm feeling groovy. Feeling groovy. I've got no deeds to do, no promises to keep. I'm dappled and drowsy, I'm ready to sleep. Let the morning time drop all its petals on me, and life I love, yeah, all is groovy. Feeling groovy. Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the moment last. We're kicking down the cobblestones. I look up for fun, feeling groovy. Feeling groovy. Yay. Simon and Garfunkel. Now, let me see what else have we got. Who have we got going on? Chris and Mary Farrell are tuned in from England. Thank you very much for saying hello. Chris wants the Thomas Hardy rendition, which means the So Do I by Christy Moore. I don't do that one, Chris. I haven't learned it. Sorry about that. I had the other version I did, the Thomas Hardy. The closest I could do for you would be that Leonese one that I have, which is a Thomas Hardy. But I don't think you're mean that one. Could I play Black as the Colour? I will play Black as the Colour. And I know Chris loves Black as the Colour as well. So hopefully that will appease the situation. This is a Scottish song, and everyone sings it, so join along. Black is the colour of my true love's hair. Our lips are like some roses fair. She has the sweetest smile and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. I love my love, well she knows. I love the ground whereon she goes, and I wish the day soon would come when she and I could be as one. For black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like some roses fair. She has the sweetest smile and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. I'd go to the Clyde, I'd mourn and weep for satisfied I never can be. Then I'd write her a letter, just a few short lines, and suffer death 1,000 times. For black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like some roses fair. She has the sweetest smile, the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. I love the ground whereon she stands. There's Black as a Colour. I must have sung that song. Sung. I must have sung that song a load of times in the Temple Bar pub. Kind of remembering that in particular at the moment. I need to go and get some. I need to go to the well, which is down here. Hang on. Right, back from the well. Does anyone get water from a well anymore? Any of the people down in Raith or in Ahamore, do you still go to the wells? I remember growing up, that was one of the jobs. I'm sure Bernie Lilly remembers going as well. Or do anybody get water from an actual well anymore? Because when we were in Leixlip, there was a footpath outside where we were, down on Mill Lane there, and there was two kind of they looked like ends of train tracks, but what we were told by Barry, who knows everything, was that there's a well, it's over a well, and that so the footpath is now over the well, but you needed those two pieces of metal to make sure no one didn't collapse or whatever. But part of me is like, what is the well doing closed up? Like, why aren't all the wells open, and why isn't it just normal that people drink out of a well? Like, anyway, I don't know. Just what should be normal to me is just obviously a ridiculous concept to be able to drink out of a well. Anyway, I don't think I have a song about a well. Well. Right, we need to write songs about wells. Okay, rant done. Let's see, song. Right, I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? Yeah, I'll just do that one. This is Curran Lung Egg Shoal, which means set the ship a sail, and it's a bit of crack. It goes like this. I wrote the lyrics to this in Harcourt Street in the Cumann Gaelach there, or Conor na Gaeilge as it's called. And we had a Kirkle Cora, and Cullamo Snuddig was there, and Ophelia and Orla and Stephen James Smith, and we all had to go over to our corners and write something. And this is what I wrote. Not just eat na creature is sweet, not glorber the viola lecchio, is aring gagar gugaira. Curran Lung Egg Shoal, Curran Lung Egg Shoal, Curran Lung Egg Shoal, Shoal, the mock is a mock, oh, Darlona, all in the tahi, nert, lenny, nert, the nosh, Curran Lung Egg Shoal. Jassy an tunin for fun in. Is fjarlong eich na pjall. Is aringa gruim le stuim. Dur korom an long eich show. Karan long eich show. Karan long eich show. The show. A mat is a machi. Oh, darlong na. All in the tahi nyart. Nhart the non she couldn't along the show. Dog me mo shantok don Atlantic. Ní vai me ashkedo. Is Arimo hail go sail the current on long leg show. Current long leg show. Current long leg show. Show. A mock is a mock. Oh, even and tatty nyart the nyart the no she current and long. Let me see. Anyone say nothing? Tim is saying he's from Michigan. This is true. Oh, you had a well growing up there in Michigan. I thought you were saying you did well growing up in Michigan. I'm asking about wells and then I'm not listening to answers. I sound like I'm down a well, I think. All right, now got out of the well. Right. Yes, where are we all? That's great that you had a well. I didn't know you had a well, Tim. That's good. Morris wrote a song about a well called "Never Let the Well Run Dry." There you go. We'll never cover it up either. I'm sure in Ireland it's difficult to let them go dry, but Arthur Guinness started brewing in Leixlip, and I'm sure Barry Mahady will tell you if he used the local wells to brew the black stuff. Thanks, Connor. He did. There is Barry Mahady. He's on. This is Barry, who I was telling you, who knows everything about Leixlip. He did indeed. A load of them were unearthed when they were laying the paths in the 1990s. Don't forget Selbridge. So Selbridge has a big thing. This is all about. This is where the first pint of Guinness was made in Leixlip. So if you have any questions for Barry Mahady about the pint of black stuff and Leixlip and where the Guinness comes from, this is your chance. We've Anya Kunjik. How are you doing? Great to have you in chatting away there. That's awesome. Right. I am gonna play something else. What am I in the mood for? Let me see. Yeah, let's try this one. This is called Old Songs. I don't know why I'm going to do this one, but let's give it a shot. Oh, and then we'll do one that mentions the pint of black stuff. Agol again Garavogue. We say in the last verse about Leenham Glenadove, fill a pint of black, which is quite literal. But anyway, we're going to do old songs first. People ask me what's the good in that old song, or why I still sing it after so long. It can't be of much relevance to a modern audience. And though it might seem ancient history, to me it's part of my family. It's got my hopes and dreams inside. They reappear when I sing it to the sky. 'Cause old songs have the wisest memories, and they forget those foolish lies and jealousies. They hang on to what's deep and true, and love that remains between me and you. Now and then we share those old songs. Between the words and notes we pass along the secrets of our ancestors, with our sisters and brothers, with our sons and daughters. 'Cause old songs have the wisest memories. They forget those foolish lies and jealousies, and they hang on to what's deep and true, love that remains between me and you, between me and you, between me and you. There's a nice jazzy chord there for Tim at the end. I know you'll appreciate that, Tim. Now major 7th. Gotta love it. Okay, where are we off to here? Yeah. We're gonna do a goal like on Garavogue, which mentions the Pint of Black stuff. I've 2 bottles of it in there, and as Peter Maguire taught me once, it's better from the shelf than from the fridge. So, and that's fact. You gotta have it at room temperature. This whole extra cold thing that came in years ago was just a travesty. What happened there? Like, selling more. Anyway. Whatever works for you, whatever works. So this is a goal in Garavogue, written with Pierce McLaughlin, who has a brand new vinyl to be had of his new album, The Rest. And in fact, there's a version of this song, a kind of a, what would you call it? Electronic version of this, if you can imagine that. Well, if you can't imagine it, you gotta go and get Pierce's album. Pierce is from Sligo. When we met up to write, this was a line that he'd written down, which was great, and I just thought, that's a song there, and we ended up writing the song called A Goal like in Garavogue. So Pierce translated it to the lore of the Garavogue, so all the stories and all that. That's really kind of what it's about. But literally it means drinking at the Garavogue. But so anyway, here it is. Right, we're gonna do some crazy reverb for the crack for this one. Right, enjoy and sing along if you know it. Hey, go, like Garavogue. Hey go, hey go, hey kangaroo. See me beside the long like on the road for the reviator egg failure. Rib hitch and koran silkjede. And to wash along the huivna soler da on tinne on ishke. Fumanana he had slug creature. Eg drap waar na creature on houden fui. Cause werk zijn eis morgens mijn eis go en garlo. In een kleine dood is all I'm on wrong. Is by the women is sleven read. Unfair glass. There we go. Now, so yeah, thanks very much everybody for being with me today. If you'd like to throw a tip in the tip jar, it's paypal.me Enda Riley or Venmo at Enda Riley, Enda dash Riley, if that's what you're into. So yeah, let's do one or two more and then we'll leave it at that, and I'll let you get on which is your day or your evening, in fact. Let me see. I need inspiration here. Let's do. Oh yeah, I was gonna sing this song during the week and then I didn't. So let's just give it a shot. This is called "Light from the Darkness," and it doesn't need a guitar, so I'll just sing it this way. In the depth of silence sits eternity, waiting for a wondrous stirring melody, like a seed that needs no time to grow up to the stars. And shining in the darkness is each a living being, reflecting to the universe their amazing dreams. The cry of gulls, the howl of wolves in the night. So tell me you see me and Sing me a song the way only you can sing. And bring forth the light in the darkest of nights the way only you can bring. And even though the darkness waits for everyone, and even though we struggle on without a plan, we'll light up that dark abyss, we'll fill it up with just one kiss. So tell me, see me, and sing me a song the way only you can sing. And bring forth the light in the darkest of nights the way only you can bring. So there's light from the darkness. I will have a song for you next week about a well. I need a bit of work on it. It was the one all about the rain. So yeah, I'll do that one next week. We'll figure that out. I'm gonna try this one to finish off with. This is the song I wrote called "The Salmon of Knowledge," all about Fionn McCool, and Finnegas, who was the master, and Finnegas was very wise, but Fionn kept asking questions he didn't know, and Fionn was learning loads, and then he ended up. Finnegas caught the salmon, whose name was Fintan. Fintan was the name of the salmon, and then Fionn was told to cook the salmon on the spit, and he was told not to eat it because Finnegas wanted to eat it. But then Fionn burst a blister, and he put it in his mouth, and then he had all the knowledge of the universe, I guess, of the world. Anyway, at least. So this is my version of the Salmon of Knowledge. And I was having a quick look at it during the week. So let's see if we can do something with it. So we'll call it a day at this one. I think we'll. Thanks for listening in. I don't like that reverb. This one's nicer. Right. So Fionn sucking on his thumb, knows everything about the world and everyone. Fionn sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. Yeah, Fionn was sent to learn as he went from the wisest man in Erin. He cooked and he cleaned, memorized what he could glean about poetry, science and fishing. Now Fionn sucking on his thumb, he knows everything about the world and everyone. Fionn sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. Though Finnegas was the wisest, he couldn't answer all of Fionn's questions. So he put a hazelnut on the Zoweline's hook, flung it from the highest branches. And Fionn sucking on his thumb, knows everything about the world and everyone. Fionn sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. Well, the salmon's name was Fintan, they say, the only survivor of the great flood. And for 5,000 years he lived right here among the river binds, runs and riffles. Now the hazelnut fell into Fioch's pool like any other nut of knowledge. And Fintan knew as he swam, his final meal began in the rocks and by the pill's edge. And Fionn, he's sucking on his thumb, knows everything about the world and everyone. Fionn, sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. Oh, so Fionn cooked the salmon on the spit just as his master insisted. And not a bite had he, though it looked tasty, till the salmon's skin was blistered. Ow! Fionn, sucking on his thumb, knows everything about the world and everyone. Fionn, sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. And if I had to guess, I'd say the master Finnegas feels right hard done by. For he was the fool who caught the salmon from the pool. But you can't deny a mythological hero. sucking on his thumb. He knows everything about the world and everyone. Bjorn, Bjorn, sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. Bjorn, Bjorn, sucking on his thumb, knows everything about the world and everyone. Bjorn, Bjorn, sucking on his thumb that he burnt on the salmon of knowledge. Yay! So that's my song about Fionn McCool and the Fianna before he was all in with the Fianna and all that stuff. So listen, I cheered myself up today. I hope yourselves got something out of it, and I hope you had I hope you have a great weekend. We had a little bit of snow here yesterday, and it's kind of half gone again. So get out for a walk now as well and all that lark. So yeah, you can check out lots of stuff on endoriley.com if you haven't already before, or on the YouTube channel. There's lots of videos. That's if you just put Enda Riley into YouTube, you will get all of that stuff as well. Okay, so thanks very much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.